So guys, my birthday is May 2027. That's all my birthdays. I don't care. That's my birthday, May 2027. That's all my birthday gift. And lahat ng kapatid ko may gift sa akin. Because I become 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Dati 4 ako, now I'm 5. Malapit na ako mag-6. If you remind my boys next time if I'm 6, don't forget me, okay? My followers are good. If I'm big now like 6 or 17, don't forget me because ako yun, si Riley Morel Castillo, si Kia. And my mom is lovely Michelle Castillo. And my dad is Ripe Maurice Kia. That's all my followers. Tell me your name. What's your name in my followers. If tell me and message on the TikTok and on the YouTube and heart my comments and heart on the TikTok I made for you guys. I love my followers. Bye.